couldn't be more excited to be doing this video today. We're gonna be reviewing a new foundation. This one here is from Dior. It did come out with a matte version of it and with a, it's called, I think, Skin Glow version. Now this is the Dior Forever foundation. I received this from the Influnster app. I don't have to make this video, that wasn't a requirement. This is in the shade 15N. Retails for $52. It is 1 ounce. I'm really hoping this is my shade, like this is the shade that I would get. A light skin with neutral undertones, which is exactly what I am. And I'm very happy that I have the matte version because I'm very oily. Liquid formula, hydrating, medium coverage. It has SPF and is a matte finish. Before we get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jenz BeautyStyle, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Let's take this out of the packaging. Look how beautiful this is. What do you think? Again, this is the Dior Forever foundation. And if you're asking like, well, where does it say matte? Well, the bottle is matte. That's how you will tell the difference. The other one, it won't look like this. It'll be more like your glossy. But yeah, that's how you tell the difference. New generation Dior foundation with 24-hour transfer-proof wear with skincare ingredients. This matte formula visibly improves skin over time. Now that is going to take a while for me to even tell you if that's even like a thing. Is a pump. I love the silver. You know how I love silver. Highlighted ingredients. Iris extract guards against oxidation. Oh, that's very important. We'll definitely test out to see if it oxidizes. Rose extract refines skin texture. Wild pansy extract maintains hydration for healthy looking skin. Of course, this is free of parabens, formaldehydes, mineral oil. Contains less than 1% synthetic fragrance. It also comes in a recyclable packaging. It's SPF 15. Hope it zooms in. Can you see that? Before I apply it, I am going to go ahead and put this. I love this stuff. I forgot I had it, but since my other moisturizers finished, I had to look for something, and I'm so happy for this. Release Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. The lightweight oil-free water cream. Gotta love it. If you have oily skin, you're missing out if you haven't tried this. Put some, again, is a water cream, so you're not even gonna see it on your face. I just cannot go straight without foundation without applying something. Oh, this is a lot. There you go. I did put a lot. Oh my god. I hope it looks good. See, that's why I like to do these videos and reviews, because it's very hard if you're picking it online to see what shade would be good. Not all the brands are gonna be like in the same shade. We'll let it dry and then I'll do a swatch next to it to see if it's still the same color and it did not oxidize. We'll see how much it covers. Like 2 pumps. I hope it's not too much. I'm just gonna move my hair. I just finished dyeing it. Alright, so I'm gonna go here. Here, I'm gonna try to do just one side first so we can really tell the difference. Start with 1 pump just in case. I'm just blending it. And this sponge is one I always use, is by Real Techniques, but it's like a limited edition one, but I just love this shape so much. Okay. Oh, I forgot to tell you. Yes, it does have a scent. Gotta let you know. It's like, I think it's floral. It's not too strong. Like, it's just when I just applied it, I smelled it. If you're a person that's like 0 tolerance to fragrance. Of course, this is first impressions. We gotta see how it wears throughout the day. But this is looking so nice. And it blended out really easy, which is important. I don't know why I wore something so high, but to me, the coverage is perfect. Like, I don't need more coverage than this. Of course, I'm gonna set this with a powder, just because it's me. I just do it. Oily skin. I have to set my foundation. But you don't have to if you don't want to. Like, it looks great like this. You see, it's nice and matte, but it's not like drying on the skin. I don't feel it like dry. I really like this color. Now, it all depends if the color starts changing, but it looks good. Now look how red I am. The redness. And here, nothing. With this side, I'm gonna go ahead and just do like one pump and see if it really is enough, because I think I did 2 pumps with this. So I'm just gonna do 1 pump, which is like this. And there. Start blending. Depends how much you want, but obviously you can build it up. See, I feel like it's almost done. And of course you can do it with a brush, and you'll just see like if it sucks up too much of the product. But I always use a sponge. I used to use a brush only, and it was from Real Techniques as well. Definitely doesn't look cakey. When you're applying it, you will smell this floral scent. Just trying to really... So I'm just gonna apply a little bit more. You may think like you don't need it, but you see I can still see like some, not that that's a bad thing, that's actually good, it looks nice, but I just feel more comfortable putting just a little bit more. So the 2 pumps is good for me for each side. Just trying to look at my forehead to see how my fine lines look. I don't want it like to be emphasized. Like if something's too dry, it's definitely gonna emphasize it immediately, and I don't want that. There's a bit of a shade difference. What do you think? I can see it a little. I don't know, I feel like I'm super red right now. I'm trying to see how it looks on my under eye as well. But like I said, usually I will put concealer there instead. Trying to touch this, it does feel pretty dry. Like it doesn't feel sticky. I don't feel like itchy or tingly. Nothing weird is happening right now. Go and finish the rest of my face, and I'll come back and show you. Everything blended on top really well. The foundation didn't move at all. As you know, I did put 2 pumps on each side. I think I prefer maybe like a pump and a half or even 1. And I put my powder on. I feel like it did leave me really matte, which is of course something I love because I'm gonna get oily. Like there's no foundation, no powder that's gonna change that. I just don't like for any like fine lines to like be emphasized, you know, because you're drying your face out a lot. That's why I went in with this. Before I put the powder, I did have a bit of shine, which is really nice. Like I understand the really matte look is fantastic, I love it, but just a teeny bit of like a little bit of glow just looks like really healthy. I did have that before the powder. After the powder, everything was gone. I am starting to get a little bit of shine like around my nose. That's the first place that gets shine for me. Only thing, the shade, I do feel like it's a bit dark, not too much, but just like comparing it, like let's say I was wearing something like this, I mean you're gonna tell the difference, right? So I would go maybe like just a little bit lighter. I would have to see, I would have to stay with the neutral undertones. So I don't know if like the fair with neutral would be too light then, but again, this is the 1.5 neutral. It does have SPF again, but I wouldn't rely on this just for SPF. I would definitely put an SPF before the foundation. The minutes go by, I still like smell a little bit of that floral scent. It doesn't bother me too much. I'm not that kind of person that says like, oh, I can't stand like scented things unless it's a scent that I really just can't stand. What I want to do is go ahead and brand new swatch next to this, and we'll see if the color looks different. Alright, so it does. It definitely does. Yeah, I mean, what can I tell you? You're looking at it yourself. It does. So just keep that in mind when you're picking a color. Like maybe a shade darker. I don't know if 2 shades, but definitely a shade. But the face looks really good. Like I feel like it's set in place, like this is not moving, but we'll see. Right now it is 4 p.m. We'll try to keep it on maybe until like 12. It'll be a good amount of hours. If you want something matte, this looks beautiful. The coverage, I really like the coverage. Is like, I don't need more than this. I like that the makeup brands are coming out with more like skincare with makeup, that's really good, like more clean ingredients. I'll list everything that I'm wearing in the description, and also this foundation, I will list it in the description for you to check out, because a lot of times you'll ask me like, what were you wearing, what makeup were you wearing in this video, like a year later, 2 years, and there's no way I'm gonna remember. So just check the description if you would like to see everything that I have on my face. It's 11 o'clock at night. I'm telling you guys, I wanted to take this off for so long, but I know I promised you the wear test. The reason I wanted to take it off is not because the foundation was bothering me, it's just because I wanted to unwind and relax. I have a couple of things to tell you. First of all, I have not blotted the whole day. So you can see it on my nose, right? Super shiny. You can see some shine here. Nothing really like around my cheeks. It's pretty cold today here in New York. It is like 15 degrees, maybe 20 the most, so it's not like I've been sweating like crazy. Still, I've been wearing it for 7 hours. And one thing you have to know, which is going to be super interesting, when I tried to remove the swatches, I put soap, okay, and I was like rubbing like this. That thing was not coming off, not even like smudging or anything. And this is called like 24-hour foundation. I was like, oh my god. And then I did it again with soap. Nothing, absolutely nothing. It wasn't like smudging, budging, nothing. What I did, I said, okay, this is gonna need some oil, so I just stopped with that, and I took the pads that I used to remove my waterproof mascara, waterproof pads, so they have some oil, and that helped. If not, I don't know how I would have taken that off. So definitely no transfer whatsoever, and I think the powder really did help me stay matte. Blot with a tissue right now. I want to see if when I blot, like the foundation moves or anything, because like I said, I blot throughout the day several times, and I want my foundation to look like I just applied it when I blot, which happens with some of my foundations. Some will completely like remove the product, and we can't have that. For the smell, I don't really smell it anymore. Like that wasn't a concern, or like, oh, I can't stand this smell. Nothing like that. You can see the shine, right? You can definitely see shine. I'm trying to move like in different angles so you can see, but okay. Oh, this is so amazing. Hey, not a lot of products came out. I mean, it looks like a lot, but it's not really a lot. Let me just look in the mirror so I can see how the product looks. All right, so it looks good. The product is still there. I don't see it like now, like this huge patch missing or anything. Can't wait to like blot the T-zone. Also, if you see me looking different, is because I was playing with this flat iron that I got, and I was like trying to do waves, and I also removed the lashes, letting you know. Alright, so let me do the T-zone. See? So this is really good. I was dying to do this, but honestly, like, I didn't really feel like a huge need. Let me just look again. Let me look at my forehead closely. It's looking good. It looks like freshly applied, is not getting removed when I'm blotting. But what I want to know, and that I'm going to have to update you like in the comments, because I'm not trying to make this video like 20 minutes long. I hope it doesn't turn up that long. But I'm going to have to see now how easy it is to remove. See how well does that work with the products that I already use to remove my makeup. What I can tell you is, if you're looking for something to last like throughout the day and you need blotting and everything, definitely this one will not disappoint. This is what got removed. Again, you know I had powder and bronzer and blush. Not a lot got removed. Gotta wait until the summer, like a hotter day, for me to tell you how it does like in the heat, because we're in winter here, so I can't do anything about it. I have to recommend it. I mean, if you want something matte or if you want something more glowing, you have that option. In the comments, I will leave a playlist of all the foundations that I have reviewed if you would like to check it out. I hope this review helped you out. Again, really impressed with this foundation. Try to do just one pump, and then you can build it up if you think you need more, okay? I would like to do that the next time. But I'm gonna keep using this because I'm really happy with this. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!